to use it and what all things you have to check for when you are on duty. Okay, so familiarize yourself with the device. This is called Philips Hard Start FRX model. So in the FRX model you have three components. One is the main shock component, next is the battery component, and then the detachable pads. Okay, it's called smart pads. So in the action component there are three buttons. One is the power button, one is the shock button, another one is the information button. And this is the housing for battery. So in the battery, you have every week or every month once you have to check this in the facility whether it is in the before the expiry date. As you can see, the expiry date is 2026 for this equipment. So this battery will work till that time. So a maximum of 5 years is the expiry date from the date of manufacture. So you place the battery like this, and now your device is
pads connector.
Now your device is ready for use. And it is waiting for the connector to be connected.
Pads connector.
So basically there are only three things that you generally have to do in the device.
Plug in pads connector. Beginning self-test.
So once you remove the battery
If
and
this
put
is
it
an
back,
emergency, press the green on-off button.
so you have to place the connector in this connector port. And inside the pads you have two detachable. You can peel it off from there when you are attaching to the patient. So you have two electrodes, and the position for those electrodes are also given. So this goes where and this goes where. They have given both the positions. Okay, first remove one electrode, place it on the patient in that particular location, and then remove the next electrode and place it on the other position for the patient. This is all you have to do in this particular pad placement. Make sure the box is closed properly and the wires are placed in the grooves correctly. Otherwise the wire will get cut off if you press it. So for doing there is a small green indicator. If the device is okay, every few seconds there will be a small green blink. If this blink is you can clearly see this blink even if the device is placed inside the box. So the blink will always be visible. You just have to keep your hand like this and wait for 10 seconds. You can see the blink. If the one single blink is there for every few seconds, then that means there is nothing wrong with your device. The device is working perfectly. If the blink is rapid, more blinks are coming every few seconds, or 2-3 blinks continuously are coming, then there is something wrong with your device. You have to escalate it to your manager immediately. So now I will tell you about self-test. So whether the device is working properly or not, how you can do the self-test to clear it. So all you have to do is remove the battery and put it back in place. Then self-test protocol will begin automatically.
If this is an emergency, press the green on-off button.
So during emergency, if it is there, you can directly press the green button.
Shock button test.
So now
if the orange button is flashing, press it.
So as per the voice, just follow the voice. So orange is flashing, I'm pressing orange.
Verify. On-off button test.
Whether this button
press
is working
green
or not.
On-off button now.
So I'll check the green button.
Verified.
So now it will run self-test. So it will pass the electricity, and don't touch the advice not to touch the device during the time, as there is an electric shock involved.
Testing. Testing.
So one cycle test is done, second cycle it will do. You will hear a small click sound.
Testing. Testing. Ready for use.
So now the device is perfect for use. You can use it in emergency. Place the device back. Place the pads. So if the extra wires are there, it might hinder you. What you can do, you can clip the wires inside, and there is a small opening kept on this other side. You can see for the remaining wires.